Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can place market order on Binance app. If you want to buy some coin on its current price, you will have to place market order on Binance. So for that, just open your Binance app on your mobile phone and go to just home section. Now this is your home page. Now you can see below there are many pages. So at number 3 you can see option called trade. Just go to your trade option. Now in trade option, at the top you can see I have selected spot option. So you have to select this spot option. Now in order to purchase or buy any coin on a market price, here you can see here now AVAX slash USDT pair is selected. So you click on this and now in search you can select any other coin like I am selecting Polygon. So I will write POL and just select this POL slash USDT. If I want to buy this coin on market price, just under the buy section you can see the option called limit. Click on this limit and now select market from here. Now when you select market, now just write your amount, how much you want to buy, and just simply click on buy POL and your coin will be purchased on the market price. So this is the way how you can place market order on Binance app.